Hello food enthusiasts. Today, I'm going to reveal a secret that most people don't know. By pouring beaten eggs into hot oil, you can create a restaurant-worthy dish right at home. This dish, which costs over $15 at a restaurant, can be made at home for just a few dollars, and it's incredibly simple to prepare. First, let's start with some dried shiitake mushrooms. Place them in a bowl and soak them in warm water for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, take a handful of cellophane noodles and soak them in plenty of cold water for about 20 minutes until they soften. Next, grab a fresh head of Chinese cabbage. We only need the leaves for this recipe, so cut the cabbage in half and tear the leaves into bite-sized pieces. Trust me, tearing by hand makes them taste better. Put the leaves in a large bowl, add 2 tablespoons of salt, and cover with warm water. Let them soak for 20 minutes to remove any impurities. Now, prepare 3 sausages by slicing them into thin pieces and set them aside. Crack 4 fresh eggs into a bowl and beat them until smooth. Heat a generous amount of cooking oil in a pot until it reaches about 60% of its maximum temperature. Slowly and carefully pour the beaten eggs into the hot oil in small batches. Fry the eggs until they are crispy and golden brown. The high oil temperature ensures that the eggs don't absorb too much oil and become perfectly crispy. Once done, remove the eggs and press them lightly with a spoon to remove excess oil. Pour out the oil from the pot, clean it, and then add a tablespoon of flour. Toast the flour over low heat until it turns a deep brown color, stirring constantly to avoid burning. Add cold water to the pot. Never use hot water as it will cause lumps, then bring it to a boil. Once boiling, add the crispy fried eggs and the soaked cabbage leaves. Cook on high heat for 2 minutes until the cabbage softens. Season the dish with a tablespoon each of salt, MSG, 5-spice powder, and chicken bouillon. Stir well to dissolve the seasonings. Add the soaked shiitake mushrooms and cellophane noodles, along with the sliced sausages, and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes until everything is well combined and heated through. And there you have it, a delicious, restaurant-style crispy egg dish that's both nutritious and flavorful. The rich broth and tender ingredients make this a perfect one-pot meal that both adults and kids will love. If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to save it and give it a try at home. Happy cooking!